I don't know how many, believe it or not, 81. Abracalingga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Atlan, Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan, Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Locos, Norte, Locos, Sur, Tarlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Kapos-Silapali, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur, and Bukidnon, Sambuca, Sibugay, and del Sur, Albay, Sambuca del Norte din, there's Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. Mabuhay, these are the Philippine provinces.